after a social mapping exercise, I kind of found a catalytic project that would be able to activate this invention. And as much as, yes, it is a green project, but it has an equally large social footprint, which is the idea of you can have all the green in the world you want, you need, or you desire. But if it doesn't change your life, especially in this context, which is very disparate communities, then it doesn't do much. What I mean by that is South Africa is quite ahead, for example, in the green agenda, solar power, wind turbines. I mean, South Africa is leading Africa in those aspects. But these communities are so far or so detached from it that it means nothing at that. So the idea was to have a social agenda with a green agenda, merge it together, and use design to put them together and create a green but socially sustainable project.
Als wir dann hier ankamen, mussten wir feststellen, dass das Modul, was der Planung zugrunde lag, nicht verfügbar war, weil der ins Auge gefasste Sponsor Coca-Cola für jetzt genau unser Projekt keine Paletten zur Verfügung stellen konnte, sodass einfach am Anfang unserer zweiwöchigen Projektzeit hier vor Ort zunächst mal ein sehr intensives Umplanen und Anpassen an jetzt die verfügbaren Paletten stattfinden musste.
I'm living in this short house. When it's raining, it's also raining, but still it's my house. And I'm sorry for the empties. Is this my business? It's my business.
Yeah, business is business.
And the kids is my business. So that's why you see the kids are making a noise. I love them. I just want them to be in one place. They mustn't go to the shebeens and do the drugs. And you know, when they laugh like that, oh, I feel so happy. I'm so glad to meet you. I didn't. I'm writing their names because they are collecting and they want to collect 40 so that they can get 20 rand each because it's 50 cents a bottle. So if they collect 40, they get their 20 rand.
Bei diesem gesamten Prozess sind wir begleitet worden von hier einem lokal tätigen Tragwerksplaner, also sowohl in der Planungsphase als auch jetzt in der Realisierung haben wir da eine enge Abstimmung erzielen können.
58, I know we've got stupid sizes. That's 4.5 inches by 1.5 inches in the old days. So we've stuck to that. Some of the people in South Africa do make metric sized timbers, but it's never really caught on because everybody's so used to this.
Der Einzug in die Werkstatt des PE Colleges, wo wir ganz bedeutende und wichtige Unterstützung auch bekommen haben, sowohl seitens der Lehrenden als auch seitens der dort Studierenden. Und ja, mit diesen vorgefertigten Modulen sind wir dann eben vor Ort im Township tätig gewesen.
wow, I didn't believe it. Until they come with you. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what was it. It was just like God has come and help me with something. That's why I hug you all. I was trying to hug God himself, but I can't see God. I must hug you. You are the gods because God sent you to me.
Okay, so
andimazi ukuthi inspector uyayifuna laa nto ndiyipeyintayo
uyayifuna ukuthi inspector wena ukuzo sifuna nje ujonge i-coordinates zakho apha.
Oh, okay.
Mose sizawusebenza lapho masiqala.
Ngapha xa
sifuna nje za-coordinates and then to know exactly. Kevin ngobethe uqala kwanini
leli cala leli linemntu ewe and then ela so bendicinga ke mna ke bhuti ukhupha yonke into yam apha.
Okay.
And then ndiyazi uba nisebenza nikhululekile.
Yes.
Kungathiwa lumkela iglasi lumkela uyabo.
Just wanted to say hi. I was just coming to greet you. I know I'll be here tomorrow when we are here to introduce you in the community at large and to introduce the project as a whole. I will do that tonight. We'll do a loud telling to awareness all the people that they must be available tomorrow when we are going to introduce the project. And I hope some of your friends will be also available tomorrow as well. So we'll do it one time. I guess I don't guess, but I know that you are warm welcome in this community and you feel free to work very, very nice. We will be friends, we'll make friendship. When you go out, we will leave something that is very, very effective for the community.
Wir sollen die Erde da ein bisschen aufhängen.
Wow, congrats. It's really solid and it's level.
The project is helping our people that are already trying to do something good into the community. Like Mom Hilda was recycling bottles. So at the same time, Mom Hilda is also contributing to the community by cleaning it and stuff.
It's not about how big your building is or how expensive or how much money you put into a project. It's about how you work with the people, the process of getting the people, enabling them. And by that, you actually create social change because you have enabled the very people who will benefit and who will be able to sustain that change.
Thank you.
Happiness is when you see what you've done, the implication, the change that you create for an individual, for a community, that fulfillment of seeing Hilda, for example, get a workshop or an area that she can now stretch herself and dream, being able to help realize someone else's dream and being able to know that that dream will affect another one's, it gives you happiness. I think that kind of starts touching on happiness.